Hey party peeps, it's your favorite RVers and we're here today to give you some tips and tricks about the RV life. Over 30 tips and tricks are in this video and almost 50 hiccups, so buckle up, it's going to be a crazy adventure. I'm Kara and this is Keaten, and we travel full time in our RV with our kitty Wesley and our puppy Frank. And boy do we have a good time. This is the adventures of RVTailsNTrails. Let's hop into it.
We made it. It was very beautiful. I'm really excited to stay here. Check the water. Number one thing to check. Looking golden. Looks good. Okie dokie. Let's back her, pull her in. It's always good to make sure when you're pulling in that you have your stairs go down where you want them to go down. Because if you get them down and they hit stuff you don't want them to, that's never a fun time. We get to pull throughs as much as we can too. Gotta have the pull through. Really good. He's a pro now. This is how we talk. Alright, let's check how we're doing. Let's see. Let me check the deck. What? I'm videoing. Hi, Frank! Why? Tell me how you feel, Wes. Not good? Okay. Alright, so next. Just gotta make sure none of the slides are gonna hit, because that's the worst part. If your slides hit, we have a handy dandy measuring tape, which has all our marks on there. And this is our kitchen, so golden. Kitchen's looking good. Now I'm gonna make sure our deck will clear, because our deck is about 9 feet. Honestly, I think we're okay. I think we're good. You could probably pull forward maybe like 2 more feet. That's good. Now. Yeah. Now it's important, if you move or adjust, just to double check yourself. Here's my kitchen. Yep, we're golden. Yeah, it's pretty close. Waterworks. Yeah. And then come look real quick. I always like to get him to come out and check, you know, because sometimes if you can see it, it's a little bit better. It gives us a good amount of space. Yeah. Where we're not like right on the road, you know, when people drive by. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm okay with it. We can even pull forward more because there's space on the side to park the truck on the side if you wanted to be more off.
I think we're okay. Yeah, I don't want to go oh, there's a nice little tree right here. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's pretty warm though. So it's nice though, the way we got these on this side, so we'll get a little warm in the morning. Get back that thing up, and we just got a brand new sticker. This looks good.
Okay.
Power. Alright. Yeah, because if we go anymore, like look at the angle. I just don't want to like hurt I want to be as level as possible.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got the keys. We were told, I don't know if this is true, put it in the comments, that you should set up your electricity first before you start lowering your jacks, because it pulls a lot of electricity. might strain your battery. I don't know. Put in the comments. Tell me what you think, because I have no idea. We were just told this, so we do it sometimes. Yep, chocks first. Here we go. In here. I'm helping. Alright, I'm gonna help a little by pulling this out and making sure everything looks good. Oh! Oh no. Alright, let's take a gander. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes there's spiders in here and it freaks me out because I am terrified of spiders. And I have the hiccups, if you haven't already been able to tell. Sometimes it is what it is. Okay. Let's kick. Did what? Hit your head? Oh. Alright, now we just test. You know, I'm not 100% sure. I should probably look at the instructions again, how to... I think E0 is what I'm looking for. Yep, looking good. So that means we're good to plug in and go forward. I don't know if you have to do that, but I just like to be safe. And then I'll kick it on once I plug it in so I don't shock myself. Ooh, almost tripped on the sewer. Okay. We see a lot of people with these red buckets. If you like the red buckets, let me know. I've been debating getting them, but I don't know. Keaton's got his handy dandy gloves. Show us your little goose egg on your head. Oh, that's not too bad right there. Alright, get her on. Yep, plug in. Okay, next I do the raise to hitch height. Front's coming down. Gotta make sure these are all right. That's all right. Make sure we pop off. Looks good. We got, always make sure before you unhitch that you got the chocks. Always make sure. Alright, this is the fun part. Pulling.
I'll do that. Just make sure we're good.
Okay. Gotta check it for a park, of course. Now I'm too short, but Keaton can reach it. So watch, this is my favorite part. Ka-chow. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, another important thing, do not level your RV until you have the truck out of the way. Yep, pull it out. Because if you level and you have your truck anywhere, like even the truck bed, it's not good. It can hit it, it can do a bunch of damage. Also your stairs. Don't ever have, sorry, my hiccups. Don't ever have your stairs down. I don't know about slides as much. I think you're fine with slides. Tell me what you think, but I know for sure stairs. Keep going. Okay, you're good. So we're making sure we're clear, and I'm just gonna shut this. There's our e-bikes. Alright, and I'm Keaton will shove that back in there because I don't like to do that. Now it's time to level. And then I can get the animals out. Okay, so I'm gonna do auto level. You got that side?
Yeah.
Okay. Factory set point. Some people, I don't know about you guys, some people will check beforehand to see if one side's higher or lower. I haven't really had any issues with that. I feel like our hitch our stuff does really good. Continue. Okay, now it's just gonna level right there. And these are gonna hop down. I have heard though that you don't want your tires off the ground because it can cause strain. But we've always stayed at pretty level sites. I've never had an issue. But definitely think we might get the tire stuff if we ever need it. Alright, here she comes. That side's coming down now. I think we're good actually. There you go. All done. Pretty. Let the fun begin. Okay. Next, before I get the animals, because they're waiting patiently, I go in and I make sure nothing moved around and I bring the slides up. Okay. Open your RV door all the way too. You gotta make sure it's open. I'm sure you guys already know all this stuff, and I'm just beating a dead horse. But in case you don't and you're new to RVing, this is what it's like. Okay. Here we go. Everybody's dirty. Okay, let's go see. Dirt right there. Anything fell. Shoes fell a little bit. Everything that was up there fell. Let's check upstairs first. You gotta take the shoes off. Can't be getting dirty in here. Alright, I always like to check. See if anything fell. Looks good. So we're gonna bring out one slide first, and then I'm gonna go check the other. All I do is click this little wardrobe out. I've heard too that you've got to do it all in one motion, like don't stop. It's bad for the slides if you stop halfway. Also would love to know what everybody thinks. Let me know in the comments. We're brand new still. This is only our 9th month, so we don't know everything. And we only move once a month, so really this is like our 9th or 10th move. Ooh, this came undone. I wonder how that happened. It happens. That came out. Not too bad though. We look clear over here though, so I am gonna extend. Let's check in here. Looks good. Nothing too bad. Looking pretty good. Bathroom, there's never really anything in here that moves. We have those nice handy shower things. Okay. Bedroom out. Okay. Next, I gotta go check over here. Because I'm always a little nervous. Squeeze by that. Looks good over here. Not too much movement. Smell. Okay, I'm always nervous about this big bad boy because she weighs a bit. But we look good. It doesn't look. See, if I hadn't checked, this would have get caught in the slide. That's why it's so important to check. I'll even sometimes just like check here because the animals have some small toys that may get stuck. We're looking really good over here. Awesome. Okay. Time to open. Another quick squeeze through. Sorry if I'm throwing you around. I'm trying to film all this. Okay. Kitchen out. There she goes. no main issues, so I'm gonna go grab the animals. Don't do cages. Hey! Got both my babies right here. Watch out! Go, 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 go! Okay. Now I work on setup inside.
And that wraps up all the tips we have for you today. With over 30 tips and almost 50 hiccups, we are so grateful that you stuck around to the end. And as always, if you guys have enjoyed this content and would like to see more of us, hit that like and subscribe. We'd love to have you in the future. See you next time on RV Tails and Trails.
You did so good. You were hairy. You need a haircut. Oh, okay. You guys did it! We made it home!